But one day on Bitcoin. Today, I'm going to analyze it, and I'm going to tell you what's going to happen, naming it. We can see here that all the things that are tagged are red. The market is red. ETH is red. It's outside. The total crypto is also down 1.4%, and Bitcoin is down 0.3%, and dominance is rising. So Bitcoin is going up more than the alts. So the alts, it's giving much more than... Understand that the market is bearish. Here, we are on a weekly chart. Normally, when we have a close inside the support that you see here in the channel, we will retest the 811359. We will descend in time frame to see here the 4-day chart. We have a bearish divergence that normally should bring us here to 90-30-30-21. In fact, when we look at Bitcoin, we say now, I want to long Bitcoin. What indicator tells me that it's time to long? That's what we need to see. Currently, I have no indicator. Everything invalidates my idea. My idea of longing, everything is invalidated. So I cannot long for now. So if I cannot long, I must short. We can see here that this served as support. We're going to change time frame again. Look how cool the indicator is. Seriously, the Crypto-Quebec indicator, it's a machine. We come, we push, double top, dump. Look, we close inside the line here. It makes us bounce here. This is a support. Bing, bong, bing, 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 bong. We understand here at the bottom. And then the indicator works perfectly. So the resistance works well, the support works well. Now what we need to see is the termination of this candlestick. This candlestick, will it close below? If it closes below, we are heading to 93.9235.
Here it goes up. It breaks here. But in fact, it will be a change. I will make a character. And it will change the bearish character for a bullish character. So the indicator works really well. We can see it here too. Look, we go up, double top. We push back onto the middle of the channel. And then we stay there. So support, 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 support. If we close below, we change level. So the indicator works really well. What you see in red are fair value gaps. Normally, we should come to fill them, but we have no indication now that they will be filled. Here we have the middle of the channel. It's a support. A support. It's said badly this, a support. But it's all a support. To break this support, we need a victory. We need a victory. And as you can see, when it gets close to the middle of the channel, it makes a victory. You see what I mean? And it's very hard to go through. We'll go on the daily. And on the daily, there. You see, when we come near the middle of the channel, it makes a victory. When we come near the middle of the channel, it makes a victory. So resistance, 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 boom. You see, the line here. The line is the 0.7 indicator. It happens. Super, 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 boom. Resistance. We go down. If we close below, we are heading here to 80.23 and 80.26. And then, in fact, it does this here. In fact, we hold our thing like this. This here. These are all places to bounce. Boom, boom, boom. There. We will surely go down lower before bouncing. I think that before bouncing here, 80.23, 7.21, we will go down like this. The more it will make us bounce, because this line will be great. We still have a virgin bullish engulfing. It's here. But normally, it takes between 7 and 5 candles before playing out. 7 candles, that gives us Thursday. And 5 candles, that gives us next week. So we have to wait and see if we will go down